Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I will tell you how to solve quadratic equation by factorization method. So in this question, the quadratic equation is x square plus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. Now, given equation is x square plus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. To solve this equation by factorization method, firstly we find the product of the first and the last term of this equation. The first term is x square and the last term is plus 12. So in simple word, we find the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term. So here 1 multiplied by 12 equals to 12. Now, we need to find two numbers whose product is 12 and whose sum is the coefficient of x. So here, for satisfying these conditions, we need to find two numbers like 4 and 3. There are two numbers 4 and 3. The product of 4 and 3 is 12 and the addition or sum of these numbers is 7. So both conditions are fulfilled by using these two numbers. So the given equation can be written as by splitting the middle term. So this middle term can be written as 4x plus 3x. So here the first term x square as it is and the last term plus 12 becomes as it is. Now in this equation there are four terms like x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12 equals to 0. Now we group the terms. So here these first two terms are divisible by x. So in simple words, x is the common elements from the first two terms. And in the last two terms are divisible by 3. So 3 is the common element from last two terms. Now taking x as a common element, we have x into x plus 4. And now taking plus 3 is the common element from the last two terms. The remaining elements are x plus 4. Now you can see here in this statement x plus 4 is common. Now taking x plus 4 common element from this equation, so we have x plus 4 into x plus 3 equals to 0. So on the left hand side there are two factors x plus 4 and x plus 2, and now we set each factor equal to 0. So here x plus 4 equals to 0 or x plus 3 equals to 0. So by shifting this 4 to the right hand side, we have x is equals to negative 4, and here by shifting this 3 to the right hand side, we have x is equal to negative 3. Hence the solution set is negative 3 comma negative 4. So these are the elements in the solution set. So I hope this question is very interesting to you and all the problems are resolved in this question. So those students or members who are new to MBA Mathematical Society, so please Do subscribe MBA Mathematical Society for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.